Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a business e-visa to travel to Myanmar. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are now going towards e-visa because it's very easy to apply and like in most of the cases you don't even need a stamping, you just get the printout and just travel, and it's easier for you also. And even the payment you can do online. All right guys, so in front of you I have opened official site of Myanmar immigration. So they have a link, notice to business traveler. Here you will get these things, that what are the things you need, like requirements: passport, color photo, company registration of inviting company, certificates, company extract. So you can go through this processing. Okay, like it's now gonna be valid for 90 days from the issue date if it is granted. Length is 70 days from the date of arrival, and the fee is gonna be non-refundable, single entry. Okay, and these are the countries who can apply for business visa. Okay, so now you can go through this. All right, let's go to home. So you can click on business visa. Again, some information they have given. Click continue to apply. The very first thing they have asked is the travel insurance. Uh, I now we have come over here. Somehow I managed to bypass. You have to select your nationality, whatever it is. I'm just putting sample. You gotta do for your case. Passport number, just sample. Email address, approval email will be sent to this. Oh, I cannot copy paste, so I have to type it. Of course, I won't be submitting this. Port of entry. Terms and condition. You have to understand it. Then only, I mean, agree to it. Then only you can go more. Now, personal information. So here you need to upload your photo. Okay. Name, nationality already came, gender, date of birth, country of birth, occupation, port of entry you selected, but you can change here. Purpose of visit you cannot change. Permanent address, country, contact details, accommodation type where you're gonna stay. Okay. Address, name and address, passport details, inviting company, NGO, INGO are not eligible. Provide the information, a passport biodata page, letter of invitation, invite company registration, company extract. The same thing that we had seen in the information section before coming. Next is confirmation, then payment, and that's it. So that's how it works, guys. If it is approved, you can travel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.